Lesson: Legal implications of noncompliance. Noncompliance with legal requirements poses significant risks for organizations, which can lead to severe legal, financial, and reputational consequences. Understanding the legal implications of noncompliance is crucial for professionals tasked with managing contract risk and ensuring adherence to regulatory standards. This lesson focuses on actionable insights and tools that professionals can implement to mitigate these risks effectively. At the heart of managing legal implications is the need to comprehend the regulatory environment. This includes recognizing the laws and regulations that pertain to an organization's operations, industry-specific requirements, and the jurisdictional nuances that may affect compliance. Failure to comply can result in penalties, fines, and even business shutdowns, as evidenced by the case of Volkswagen's emissions scandal, where the company faced billions in fines and a significant reputational hit. To address noncompliance proactively, professionals should adopt a structured framework for compliance management. One such framework is the Compliance Management System, which consists of three primary components: prevention, detection, and response. Prevention involves establishing policies and procedures that align with legal requirements, training employees, and fostering a culture of compliance. Detection focuses on monitoring and auditing processes to identify potential non-compliance issues. Response includes developing a plan to address these issues promptly and effectively. An essential tool within the prevention component is the creation of a compliance checklist. This checklist should be tailored to the specific regulatory requirements and operational processes of the organization. For instance, a healthcare provider might include items related to patient privacy under the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, while a financial institution would focus on anti-money laundering regulations. This tailored approach ensures that all potential risk areas are covered and that employees understand their specific responsibilities. In addition to checklists, risk assessments are vital for identifying areas where noncompliance is most likely to occur. By systematically evaluating the organization's operations, professionals can prioritize high-risk areas and allocate resources accordingly. Risk assessments should be conducted regularly to reflect any changes in the regulatory landscape or organizational structure. The use of technology, such as compliance management software, can aid in this process by automating risk assessments and providing real-time updates on compliance status. Training and education are critical components of a successful compliance program. Employees at all levels must be aware of the legal requirements relevant to their roles and the potential consequences of non-compliance. Effective training programs should be continuous and incorporate real-world scenarios to enhance understanding and engagement. For example, interactive workshops and e-learning modules can simulate compliance challenges and allow employees to practice their decision-making skills in a controlled environment. Monitoring and auditing are key elements of the detection component of a CMS. Regular audits help ensure that compliance policies are being followed and provide an opportunity to identify and rectify any deviations. An effective audit program should include a mix of internal and external audits to provide an unbiased assessment of compliance efforts. The use of data analytics can enhance the audit process by identifying patterns and trends that may indicate potential compliance issues. When non-compliance is detected, a swift and decisive response is critical to minimize legal and reputational damage. The response component of a CMS should include a clear plan for investigating incidents, reporting findings to relevant authorities, and implementing corrective actions. This may involve disciplinary measures for those responsible, changes to policies and procedures, and enhanced training to prevent future occurrences. The importance of a robust compliance program is underscored by statistics from the Ponemon Institute, which found that the average cost of non-compliance for organizations is approximately $14.8 million annually, nearly 3 times the cost of maintaining or meeting compliance requirements. This highlights the financial incentive for organizations to invest in compliance programs and underscores the potential savings associated with preventing non-compliance. Case studies provide valuable insights into the real-world application of compliance frameworks and tools. For example, the pharmaceutical company Pfizer implemented a comprehensive compliance program to address regulatory challenges in its global operations. By integrating compliance into its business strategy and leveraging technology to monitor and report compliance metrics, Pfizer was able to enhance its compliance culture and reduce incidents of non-compliance. In conclusion, the legal implications of non-compliance are significant and can have far-reaching effects on an organization. By adopting a structured framework, like the compliance management system, professionals can proactively manage compliance risks and ensure adherence to legal requirements. Practical tools such as compliance checklists, risk assessments, and training programs are essential components of an effective compliance program. By integrating these tools into their operations, organizations can mitigate the risks associated with non-compliance and protect themselves from legal, financial, and reputational harm. This lesson emphasizes the importance of a proactive approach to compliance and provides actionable insights that professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in managing legal risks effectively.